Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Mercy and thank you for joining me. Today I'm in a very beautiful place. So right now we are in the wilderness. You want to see around me? Yes, so I'm with my ranger, Mr. Sakurai SK in short. Say hello, Mr.
Hello,
Sakurai.
Cape
Turtle Dove.
Yes.
Okay.
So the other one there, Jewett calling. So that call there in the morning when you are up to work, school kids going to school. The rhythm would be saying, work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard.
We used to have one outside my school and they used to say that's what it was telling us.
Yeah.
Come on kids,
Work hard, work hard, work hard.
Then when we are done with our work, and also we are now relaxed and also visiting different clubs and also pubs, and also for you, you're on holiday, to change the rhythm, it will be saying, drink lager, drink lager, drink lager. So we call it the work harder, drink lager bed.
Oh,
Amazing.
very funny.
Lovely. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Next. One of the trees, we call it a toothbrush tree.
All right.
Toothbrush tree. So long back, people used to brush their teeth using the toothbrush
Okay.
tree. So this is here. So you have to peel it nicely. You have to peel it and also and chew it.
Okay, I didn't brush my teeth. I forgot to brush my teeth. I need one of those. Just kidding, guys.
So you can just chew it.
So you just chew it. You don't use it to brush.
You can use it to brush. Then you can use it to brush.
Okay.
Yes. It's tasteless.
So this is the tree, guys, at close range. It's a tasteless tree. It's got a kind of silent taste of its own. Everyone is brushing their teeth, guys.
Enjoying brushing the tree with toothbrush tree. Come along and join us.
That's true.
And Liver Brothers, please, we are competitor to you as well, as natural as it is.
Yeah.